Hey, hi guys. So in the last video, video, we discussed that how to create a VM on Google Cloud, right? So now we'll see like how to install Oracle on that specific VM that we created. Okay, and let me share my screen. So we left out here in the previous video. So now we will go to local servers tab. And then the first thing is like we need to turn off this security configuration because we need to download whatever the required softwares for installing Oracle. So double click and just click and then turn off it. Okay, and just refresh it and see like it is off now. So now we can download whatever that is required for us. So first this thing is like we will be downloading Google Chrome. Okay, just run it or save it. Once it is saved, just run that Chrome setup config file. Okay, and it will ask you to allow this app to make changes to your device. Just click yes. Okay, okay, now the Chrome is installed. It's getting installed like this. Yeah, okay. Once the Chrome is installed, go to Google. Okay, just type Oracle database download. So it will take you to the latest version of the Oracle software. So click the first link and it's 19C is the standard version. So go and download this 64-bit version. Okay, Microsoft 64-bit download. Click that one. It will ask you for to check the it will ask you to review and accept the Oracle license agreement. Just check this box and click download. Okay, it will take you to the Oracle's account sign-in page. Just provide your Oracle account. Let me see if I remember my password. Okay, so that is correct. If you don't have an Oracle account, you just you make use like of this option to create one. Okay, it's getting downloaded. Once it is done, I will show you like what to do. Okay, okay, it's done, right? So now go to downloads folder. Yeah, now it is done, right? Take like cut this zip file in and paste it in the C drive. Okay, just click continue, and here try to unzip it. We have like before extracting this zip file, we need to download a 7-zip software. Okay, download it. Just click this first 64-bit Windows x64 one. It will download and you need to run it. That's it. Double click and it will ask you that same thing. Okay, make changes to your device option. Click yes and install. That's it. Close. Okay, now go back to that C folder, like C drive, and now unzip it. Unzip this zip file here. Okay, it will take some time. Let's wait for a couple of more seconds. I think it will be finished. Once the extraction is done, then I will will like in the meantime, like try to create one folder under the name Oracle. which we'll use while installing Oracle. Okay, just create one folder under the name Oracle in the C drive. Okay. So there are like a lot of files to extract, right? That's why it's taking little time, but that's okay. Yeah, it's almost done. Okay, once it is done, so we extracted into this folder, right? Double click that folder, go down. There is a setup file, right? Which we need to right click on the setup file and then run as administrator. It will ask you to make changes option again, changes to your device. Click yes. Okay. Okay, and 19C Oracle will be starting. Okay, here you need to let the let the window come. Okay, so you need to select this create and configure single instance database and then click next. Okay, and click desktop class and try to use the same use Windows built-in account. Okay, and click next. You can use anything, but I will go with use Windows built-in account. Click next and you can ignore this one. You can just click yes. Okay, here there are two things. We need to give the folder like the path. We need to select the Oracle folder which we created. We need to select this Oracle folder, select, and there is nothing to change here. Here, just remove this entire thing as it is a cloud one. It's giving like a lot of big database name, global database name. You just need to remove everything. Just keep it ORCL and keep some password. Any password you can keep. For now, I'm keeping Oracle as my password so that I can remember it anytime. Okay. In the same way, you can also set your own password which you remember. Okay. Oracle. And pluggable database, you don't change anything. Just keep it as is database name. But just remember, take a screenshot. That will help you. Okay. Click next. So you can also ignore this one because it's just saying that we are not meeting the Oracle recommended standards or for the password thing. Okay, just click yes, and it will do some pre-checks. I think it will take some more time. Okay, okay, yeah, I think it's done. The pre-check part is done. There is no error, so we are good to start the installation. Just click install. Okay, so it will start. Oracle will like start installing the software. So it will take at least like 10 to 15 minutes or more than that, depending upon our internet connection and all. So let's wait until the process is completed. Okay. Uh, yeah, we'll see like how things will work out. Okay. If there is any issue, I will try to resolve it. Okay. Yeah. So, so it's taking a little more time. I think 44% is completed. We'll wait until it is completed fully. Okay. Yeah. I don't see any issues until now. Let's see and wait if there are any issues that Oracle will be throwing at us. Okay. So it's still taking time. I think it will take a couple of more minutes to complete the installation part, and we'll see. Okay. I don't see any issues. Even the transaction server is just, this is the only thing which is pending still. But all other got succeeded, and will like the database configuration assistant is also in progress. And if these two is completed, it's almost done. It's not take much more time after that. Okay. Yeah. Usually it takes around 20 to 30 minutes. Totally depends upon how our connectivity is working and all. Let's wait. Okay. Let me pause the recording so that because I don't want to make the video longer, like more than 20 minutes or something like that, because it's taking time, right? I'll just pause the video, and then if there is any like if there are any issues, I'll start the recording again, and then I will discuss like what is the issue that we got. Okay. If not, like I don't see anything will be getting any errors or something like that. But if I get any error, I will like we will discuss about it also. Okay. So it's like completing the database creation. I think it in couple of more minutes. I think the installation will be completed. Let's wait and see. Okay. So now it's creating a pluggable databases. So we almost reached the ending of the installation. It will take a couple of more minutes. Okay. Yeah. So it is done. The configuration of Oracle database was successful. Let's see whether we like whether we can able to connect to database or not. Okay. Just go to search here. Click SQL Plus desktop app, and okay. Uh, System, provide the username as system and password as Oracle. Okay. Now see, we have created like we have got connected to Oracle database 19c. So we successfully installed Oracle database 19c on Google Cloud VM that we created. Okay. So we'll see how to install Informatica in the next video. Okay. Thanks.